If you're watching this video, then I can assume you want to either know some more information about Dutch clover, or you just want to know some more information about this brand of Dutch clover. I bought a couple different bags of this, a couple different sizes for different applications and different properties. I also have some growing pretty nicely here in some pots I'll show you, and I'll just talk about it a little bit. So for those that don't know much about white Dutch clover, there are a lot of benefits to it. It produces nitrogen and puts it into the soil, so it is a great complement for a lot of different plants and trees. I have it growing here with my apple tree, and I just threw them in. Same thing with a little tree down there. I have a little bit there. Oh, we got some falling out everywhere. That's okay. Now this is one of the larger bags that you can get. You can also get like little 1-pounders, and I think you can get some for like a few ounces. And this stuff will go a long ways. Now they do say you'll need several pounds per like acre, so I am going to need a lot more. And this is what the seeds look like. They do have a coating on them that will help them grow. You still need to make sure that they keep plenty of moisture and water though. And these will grow just by throwing them out onto the ground, but you're gonna have a lot better luck if you slightly bury it with just a little bit of soil and you make sure that it gets a bit of moisture. I tried throwing them everywhere, but we didn't have enough moisture. The rain kind of stopped for them to really get taken off like these here. But as soon as the rains return, I'm planning on planting 3 acres of Dutch clover. Another awesome benefit of Dutch clover, besides putting nitrogen into the soil, is that it's great for erosion control. And now, as I live in the forest with a lot of sloped property, I'm planning to grow this everywhere to also help with erosion control. Now, these don't have any blooms yet, but another great benefit with these is pollination. It's going to help your bees. Also, the deer absolutely love the Dutch clover. So if you like wildlife and you live in an area for wildlife, you're going to get a lot more of it growing this kind of stuff. It's also really green, it's drought tolerant, it's really soft to touch and walk on, and after it's got established, it's going to spread on its own, and it's going to be able to withstand people walking on it and doing things to it. It also will grow a heck of a lot slower, so you don't have to mow as much. And it will grow in just about every type of soil too. Like this soil here, not the best bunch. That soil there, even worse, it's clayish. Over here, a few days ago, I threw some around my lavender that's making a comeback here, and I just been spraying it with a little bit of water every couple days, and we got some clover growing even in this crappy soil. But if you're looking to grow some Dutch clover, establish a lawn with it, or put it in planters like this is one of the top brands. I've had great success with it. It makes great looking clover. I will be planting this all over the property, and I will do some updates with that as well, because I would love to see once it's established on acreage. But if you're thinking about doing some clover, definitely do it. It's got a lot of benefits to it. I love it. I think it's better than traditional lawns, but everybody has their own preference on that. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.